think that's all the questions I have, but is there anything that like Alpha should know specifically about that type of stuff?
About that type of stuff?
Percentage, whatever it was called again.
So, the method you're doing will only give you the empirical formula.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
So, in order to get the molecular formula, sometimes, well, they're usually going to give you a number, like one way or another, to represent what is the molecular mass of the substance. And they could do that using an MS, a mass spectrometer, a mass spec, or they can just flat out give you what the atomic number is.
Okay, so like in one of these right here, it has my back.
So let's say, for example, with that one that you had, okay? So you had CF2Cl, okay? Now the thing is that this right here is just the empirical formula. Because if we were to try to draw it out, we would have that.
Yeah.
And then we'd have this open spot right there, one empty bond. Because most likely, this guy right here, let's see, so it's going to. So let's say that we have an MS, like that. You've probably seen like these, one of these, right? So let's say that it has a molecular ion of about 170.
Okay.
Okay? So based on that and based on this, you're supposed to find the molecular formula. Okay, this is just the empirical formula. So what we would do is that we'd have to find out what the AMU of this guy is and compare it to that.
Okay.
So we go ahead and add it all up. We got 12, we got 38, so we got 50, 50 plus 35.45, so it's going to be about 85.46. Okay? Oh, let's make this one then. Okay, so if we look at that, we compare this to that, we just need to see how many times this fits into that, and then multiply our formula accordingly.
Okay, so divided by 85, 2?
Yep. So we're going to multiply it by 2. So that means that this becomes C2, that becomes F4, and that becomes Cl2.
And then that's just...
That's it. It actually makes sense because we got a carbon, we got fluorines, fluorines, another fluorine, then got a Cl, and a Cl. And that actually works pretty nicely.
Okay. So that's finding the molecular formula? Okay, okay.
The empirical one is where it's like the least
It's the lowest
whole
number.
So it would just be like 1, 2, 1.
So this right here is not an empirical formula because we can actually reduce that.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, I just had like missed all of it because